Two JavaScript projects for beginners. This project might really help you in bringing your skills to a next level. So you can add these projects to your portfolio and make your portfolio look professional so that you'll get hired very quickly. You'll get a clear vision at this clocks, how these clocks are working in JavaScript. So we'll be building a clock and a Pong game in this project. Let's take a quick look at how to build this. First, let me create a project 1, and so in this project we're gonna build a clock. Okay, so first thing is that I'm gonna create an index HTML file and style.css. So inside that I'll just import the sample template and just rename the title and remove the unwanted lines and statement. Okay, so I'll just link the JavaScript file and I'll just remove this statement over here, and I'll just remove also these things. Okay, so it's not important. Okay, so right now we're gonna create a div class which is an clock. So inside that we're gonna create a div class hour. Okay, so we'll be teaching this in HTML course. Don't forget to check it out in our upcoming courses. Okay, so you will get a clear vision at how this div classes are working in HTML courses. Okay, so right now it's not important for you guys because you're learning JavaScript, so we'll be focusing on JavaScript only and not the HTML. So I'll just create these things. So I'm just generally designing a clock with HTML and CSS. With the help of JavaScript, we will make the clock to work. So the JavaScript generally gets the time from the system, that is from the operating system, and executes it in the web browser. Okay, that is in the clock. So first let me design the clock with the CSS, and then we'll move on to the JavaScript. heading over to JavaScript file, first let me declare a constant degree which is equal to 6. So next I'm gonna select the hour needle and a minutes needle and seconds needle. So I'll just select it from HTML file by declaring query.selector. Okay, document.query.selector. So as you can see, I had declared right here, and so let's jump into the main interval. Okay, that is the main part. So let me set an interval. So first I'll just declare a let day equal to new date. That is, I'm just getting a new date. So then I'm just getting the hours from that date. Okay, that is day.get hours into 30. So next thing is that I'm just getting the minutes. That is day.get minutes into degree. That is, we are getting the minutes and multiplying with 6. Okay, as well as for the seconds, it's the same thing for the second. So let's make the hours needle to move in 360 degree, that is in clockwise direction. So I'll just declare some functions over here. It will probably work, but it's not working. So yeah, I'll just change it here, and let's change it here too. Then yeah, I'll just move on to the HTML file, and I'll just cut this line and just paste it below body. Okay, yeah, probably it works. So here we go. So you guys are now capable of making a clock project, and well done. You have successfully completed a beginner's course and you have built a clock. Heading out to second project. So in this project we're gonna build a Pong game. I'll just add this statements out here, and I'll just set this canvas. So I'll just link this JavaScript file, and inside the CSS I'll just make it align in the center. Okay, so right now we are in JavaScript file. So I'll just assign the direction, that is idle, up, down and left. That is at the beginning of this project, that is at the beginning of this game, we'll be at the initial position, that is at the center. So that is what idle describes. Okay, right now we are creating rounds, that is we're gonna create these rounds in arrays. So we'll just declare some colors, and let's initialize these colors and rounds in upcoming functions. Okay, so we'll be seeing everything very quickly. So from this beginners project, you guys will learn about arrays, and how these return statements are working, and how these functions are working, how to invoke these functions, and how to invoke those variables. You will learn everything about this, and I hope you guys really enjoy this project. Okay, I'll just complete this as soon as possible, and then I'll just finish up this beginner's course. I'll just provide the source code down below. Just check it out, and stay tuned with every programmer. out my source code, I just link them below, and we'll probably run this game. We're getting errors. Okay. Yeah, I had forgot to add this beep sounds. Just add these beep sounds. Okay. So yeah, now it's working perfectly. So now you guys learned JavaScript beginners course completely. So I'll just appreciate you guys that you guys have learned it. You can add this stuff to your portfolio and make your portfolio look professional. Then stay tuned with Epic Programmer for intermediate course. Okay, so let's break this JavaScript course and let's make a first income with JavaScript course. It's me Santosh Sharon, and bye bye.